Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find the AC fan fuse on an Opel Vauxhall Astra, then Vectra and Zafira, and how you can check whether it's actually the cause of your cooling problem. So first of all, before searching for the fuse, you need to identify which fan isn't working. If the cabin blower doesn't blow any of the air from the vents, you will need to check the blower motor fuse inside the passenger compartment fuse box. However, if the radiator or the condenser cooling fan doesn't run when the AC is turned on, the relevant fuse is usually located in the under hood fuse or the relay box. On most of the Astra H, Vectra C and Zafira B models, the engine compartment fuse box is positioned next to the battery. So you need to simply remove the plastic cover and use the fuse diagram which is printed inside the lid or in your owner's manual to identify the cooling fan and air conditioning fuse. So it is going to look something like this, and you can find the fuse and then you can just simply use it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.